Hi everybody, I'm Kathy and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm doing something a little different. I've had quite a few requests to do some cooking videos and I'm sharing with you a recipe that I have made so many times in the last 30 years I don't even need to get the recipe out anymore. It's stuck up in my head and I will share it with you. It'll be in the description box and it is an easy no-bake lemon cheesecake. So I've already went ahead and I like to make my own crust, and it's a graham crust that I'm making. So I've already measured out 1 1/4 cup of graham wafer crumbs, and this is 1/3 cup of melted butter. And just for reference, it's about, I'd say, 1/3 of 1 stick of butter. It will give you enough melted butter for this recipe. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to pour the melted butter into the crumbs and I'm just stirring it up. So you just want the crumbs moistened. And then I have my pie plate and it's not greased and I just dump the crumbs in there. And now I'm just gonna spread them out nice and even. Okay, so my crust is ready. I'm going to set that aside. And next up, I'm going to get the juice of the lemon. Always remember to wash your lemons before you cut them because, you know, there could be little critters that have walked on them. And this is, I would say, probably a medium to large size lemon. And it should give me enough juice. And I have my squeezer. And I just use all the same dishes because I don't want to wash a bunch of dishes. And we'll do the other part. Now I'm going to use 1 brick of cream cheese. So I just put my cream cheese in there. And then 1 tin of sweetened condensed milk. And I just pour the milk in on top of the cream cheese. This is such a refreshing dessert, especially in the summertime. But it's kind of a blah day out, and it's kind of one of those days where you want comfort food, so that's what I'm going for today. Okay, so that's all of the sweet milk. Then I'm gonna add, I think it's a teaspoon of vanilla, but I just wing it. I have my electric mixer and I'm just gonna beat this up. Start off slowly so it doesn't go flying all over the place. And then I slowly add in the lemon juice. And I want to beat it up real good. So then what I like to do is I just take a spoon, just scrape the bottom and the edges real good. I'll just mix it some more. And it's pretty well mixed up. So now all I do is I'm just going to pour the mixture on top of my graham wafer crust. And I'm just evening this out. Just make it look pretty. Et voila! There we go, there's my cheesecake, and now I'm gonna put it in the fridge. If you make this in the morning, it will be nice and set for supper. So it's gonna sit in the fridge now for about 6 hours, and whenever we have supper tonight, this will be our dessert. But it's just a really fast, quick recipe. It doesn't take a whole lot of ingredients, and I don't have a whole lot of dishes to wash because I always just use the same ones. Why not? It was just some crumbs. And so if you would like to see more cooking videos, please give this video a thumbs up, because it just lets me know that you enjoy this type of video. And if you have any comments or questions or requests, I would love to hear from you in the comment section. So thanks so much for spending time with me today. Click the subscribe button if you haven't, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.